What's going on, everyone? I would like to show you this package manager I recently discovered. This is UV package manager for Python. It is extremely fast and it has some impressive benefits, like you can use on macOS, Linux, also Windows. Also, you can run virtual environment directly using this package, like replacement for many things. Okay, so you can check the highlights here if you want. You can visit these documents here, the link to reach here. Also, it's quite easy to install. Come here, the installation steps. macOS and Linux, you can use curl or wget to install it. Also, it's available in Nix packages, so I'm using NixOS and it's available. I could easily install. Also for Windows, you can try these commands. I didn't install on Windows, but it seems quite simple to install on Windows as well. Okay, so after installing this UV, let me show you a sample project so you will see better. Okay, let's go to where desktop. Okay, here I have already installed the UV package manager, so you can check it. Also, if you only type UV, you will get the options here. Okay, so in it we are to make a new project, to start a new project, we are going to use this init command. Also, you can run the scripts using UV. I will show you. Wait. Okay, make sure you are in a proper directory. After that, init UV init to start a new project, and the project name UV init project name, let's say UV test. You can say initialize project ls, not ls. Let's go to that directory, UV test. So let's see here. So after initializing your project, it is giving us some sample files already. Okay, let's open Visual Studio Code here, so we can see it better. Now it has main.py, readme.md, it's empty. Okay, pyproject.toml. This is like package.json. Okay, so dependencies, if you install a package, it will be here. And git ignore Python version 3.13. Okay, so this is the way how you initialize a project. After then, let me show you a few other commands, CLI commands, then console. Yeah, so let's go ahead. Okay, we need virtual environment, right? It's quite easy to start your virtual environment using UV, uv.vmv. Okay, to activate, it is showing us here our .vmv folder is here. We need to activate this virtual environment. Okay, source.vmv being activated. So as you can see, virtual environment is also active. After then, let's install a few packages, just one package for the sake of practice or showcase of the UV. So let's install this package. Faker UV add Faker. Yeah. After we install the package, it must be shown this here. Okay, so this is our dependency now. It is not finished yet. I guess it is my internet speed is not so well. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so we have our package available now, and this is how you can add new packages. After that, let's use this package. We are going to see what this package does. Let's say f is equal to, now this is giving us random names or random stuff or email address, anything. Okay, now we can use this library. Let's print some random data like a dot name, let's say. Okay, yeah, and let's run using uv run main.py. Okay, so you can also run the scripts using this package manager. Let's enter, and Jennifer O'Connor. I would like to get a new name, Aaron Solis. Okay, one more, this time female, I guess. Okay, also you can get email or address or job, email address, job. Okay, with this package. Yes, job. Okay, let's run again. William Patel, example.net address, job, press sub is the job, I don't know. Let's run again. Therapist and art. Yeah. Okay, civil service, first streamer, interesting. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.